Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna play with Play-Doh or magnet or whatever, and we're gonna be playing with magnet balls. Alright, so put the magnet balls here and start with the Play-Doh. I'm missing a color right over here. Here is supposed to be another color. Here is yellow, white, blue, red, and here is supposed to be another color, but I lost it. But who cares? Anyways, let's start. So, what should we start doing? Let's start with a red Play-Doh. Let's open it. Take it out. Here. Okay. Okay, now let's take the cover of it, which has something on the back here. Now let's take this structure. Let's open this up. Put the cover on this green thing. Okay. Now let's put it here. Alright, now let's take a bit from the red. Okay. Now put the rest of the red in here. Now let's take this, place it right on the cover over here. Okay, here. Now let's squish this and make it cool. Here, squish, squish, squish. Okay. Here, now we got I think it's a bird. We got a bird now. Yay, we made a bird. Oops. Okay, let's take out the blue one. And now let's let's open it. Okay. Okay, now let's put the blue in this hole over here. Take a bit of it only, not much. Only this here. Put the rest back. Now let's take it. Place it in the hole over here. Here. All of it in the hole. Now let's close this so this thing can go on here and make a block out of it. So here you go. And it comes out from the back. Now we have hold on. Now we have a block here. Now let's put the block here. Now let's open that. Take out this thing that came out. And take that. And here. Alright. Now put this rest back. Take the block. Now we have a little block which I can hit myself with. Yay! Yay! Right, now let's put it all back in. Close the cover. Okay. Now let's take the white one. Take the white one out. Right here. Okay. Now let's take the white. Take this out. Hold on. Take this out here. I have it. Okay. Now take this one, and now let's make a thing out of here. Oh wait, I think it works. Okay. Put it in here and I'll squish it. Now we made a butterfly or a heart. Yay, we made a heart. Nice. Okay, now let's make a prison cell. Now we got a prison cell over here. Okay, let's do a star now. Make a star here. Now we have a star. Okay. there's another one in here, which is the green cloud one. Just has more stuff in it. Now let's take this white, put it back, and close it now. Now let's take the last one, which is the yellow. Now let's take out this thing. Take the other one. Okay, here and here. Now we have this green colored one. Let's open this. Take out the yellow. Okay. The yellow one is a little bit dried, so it's not that great, but who cares, I can still work with it. Alright, now let's do that. Place it in here. Okay, no, it's not gonna work. The yellow one doesn't work. Alright, let's put it in back. Take that, put it back in here all. Okay. Okay, now let's close it. Okay. Now we're done with the Play-Doh. Take that. Here. Now we're done with the Play-Doh. Now let's take the magnet balls. I'm not gonna put the magnet balls close with the phone because it's gonna break. Right. Now, last time I built a block with it, but I didn't record it. So yes. So cool. Alright. Let's make a line out of it now. Here and hold on, and here. Okay, now let's take the line, do that, now do that. Okay, take that. And now we got that. Now we're gonna make a circle out of that too. We're gonna make it fatter. Now it's fatter. Now we're gonna make out of this fat one also a circle, or no, we can't get it. It's so cool when you squish it and you rip it off. And here's a card to cut it, so yes. Alright, we're done now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and comment and turn on the bell. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.